everyone. So in today's session, we are going to learn about the poem that is I Wonder. Okay. Before starting the poem, tell me what do you understand? What do you understand by the term wonder? Wonder means what? Wonder means things. Sochna, right? Thinker, things. I'm thinking something. I'm imagining something. ठीक है? कुछ imagine कर रहे हैं. That is called wonder. Okay. So, in this lesson, with this poem, the poet is also wondering something. Now, what he is wondering, let's see. The poet in this poem is a little boy. What? He is a little boy. And what he is doing? He is wondering something. And before I start the poem, we will read the poem. Okay? We are going to read the poem first. I wonder. Sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake, what is in the water? Is it real or fake? Okay, the poem, the poet is saying, sometimes I really wonder. Wonder means things, sochna. Okay, sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake, what is in the water? Is that real or fake? It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. So, in the previous lesson, that is the moon in the ball, we have learned how the grandmother has given, has promised his granddaughter that she will get the moon for her. But how she did? What she did? She bought a ball of water and kept it on the grass, right? And what happens? The reflection, the image of the moon is there on the water. And this way, how the grandmother has shown the moon, given the moon to her granddaughter. And she also said, if you will touch this moon, what will happen? It will go away. The clear instruction has been given by the grandmother to her granddaughter that if you will touch the moon, what will happen? That will go away. That means the moon which is there in the ball, that is a fake moon, right? Now, fake means what? I will tell you. फेक मीन्स आर्टिफिशियल, जो रियल नहीं है, जो ओरिजिनल नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है. सो द ग्रैंडमदर सेड, अगर आप इसको टच करोगे तो क्या होगा? ये मून चल जाएगा. ठीक है. तो क्या अगर हम मून को, रियल मून को अगर टच करते हैं, रियल कोई चीज को हम टच करते हैं, क्या वो गायब हो जाता है? नो, इट डजंट गो अवे. So, but the moon which is there in the ball, the clear instructions has been given by the grandmother, don't touch it. And she also said, अगर आप इसको टच करोगे ये क्या होगा? ये गायब हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So same thing in this poem also. There's a little girl, that is Vani, and in this poem there is a little boy. Okay, the poet himself is a little boy, and he is sitting next to the lake and thinking that sometimes I really wonder when I sit near the lake. जब मैं लेक के सामने बैठता हूँ और मैं सोचता हूँ, I always think that what is in the water? ये पानी में क्या है? If you will see the picture, in the sky you can see a beautiful moon shining among shining brightly among so many stars. बहुत सारे stars हैं और एक moon बहुत अच्छे से shine कर रहा है, right? और उसकी image और उसकी reflection क्या है, क्या कहाँ है, water में है. अगर ये boy, if this boy touches that moon, what will happen? It will, does it go away? No, it will move. अगर वो हाथ से ऐसे हटाएगा तो yes, it will disappear, it will go away or it will move. The way he will play with the water, the moon will move accordingly. But the moon which is there in the sky, it will remain as it is. Only the reflection is there. कि जब हम शीशे के सामने खड़े होते हैं क्या होता है, हमें अपनी इमेज दिखती है, we can see, लेकिन जो मिरर में है दैट इज आवर रिफ्लेक्शन, वो हमारी इमेज है, वो हमारा रिफ्लेक्शन है और हम रियल हैं. अगर हम मिरर के सामने से हट जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, मिरर के सामने में कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. हम दिखेंगे क्या मिरर के सामने? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि हम वहां से हट गए हैं. तो दिस moon is there on the sky, in the sky, and the reflection is there. But अगर ये बॉय वहां से हट जा रहा है तो क्या वो मून को देख पा रहा है? वो उस मून को देख पाएगा जो कहाँ पर है, जो स्काई में है. लेकिन जो लेक में है दैट इज अ फेक मून, वो उस मून को नहीं देख पाएगा. ओके, सो इज थिंकिंग दैट जो मून वाटर में है क्या वो रियल है या फेक है, क्या वो रियल है या फेक है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू some pictures of real and fake. Let's see. I have some pictures of real and fake. If you will see, I have made one table. In one column it is real and in other it is what? Fake. Real sun is there. Okay, what I have a real sun. What it is? Real sun. And in the next, what you will see what it is? It is a fake sun, but that is not real sun. Okay, it's just a drawing, you can say. Real moon which we see in the sky, and in the fake, if you will see the picture, top it is a real sky, but the reflection what we are seeing in the water, that is a fake, that is not real. Okay, and same way the next picture, that is a real tree, it's a image, the image it's real, and this in the fake, the image of the tree is fake, that is not real. The tree ऐसे घर पे रहता है, ऐसे ऊपर खड़े होके हम उसके ऊपर घर बनाते हैं, ऐसे नीचे पूरा देखो कैसे फ्लैट्स बने हुए ना, फ्लोर है, तो दैट इज अ फेक ट्री. ओके, सो रियल एंड fake. I have some more examples for you. See. Now, wow, what a beautiful and the sweet girl it is. Real. It's a real baby. क्या है? वो एक real baby है. और fake में क्या है? That is a doll. ठीक है? लेकिन ये क्या हो रहा है? दोनों मिलते हैं ना? लेकिन हम रियल बेबी चल सकते हैं, रियल बेबी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है, रियल बेबी को खाना खाते हैं, रियल बेबी मिल्क पीते हैं. क्या डॉल खाना खाती है? क्या डॉल मिल्क पीती है? नो. सो दैट इज नॉट रियल, दैट इज अ फेक. ओके, सो दैट इज फेक. सो दैट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, एंड real car. If you see the picture, that is an image of a real car. Car can move, even though it's a non-living thing, it moves. Okay, and this car needs diesel or petrol to move. Does a toy car, आपके पास टॉय कार है क्या? उसको आप उसमें पेट्रोल डलवाते हो? पापा लेकर जाते हैं पेट्रोल डलवाने के लिए? नो, दैट इज अ फेक कार, दैट इज अ टॉय ट्रेन. हम उसके साथ क्या करते हैं? हम सिर्फ उसके साथ खेलते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन कोई कोई कार होती है जिसको बैटरी लगती है, रिमोट कार होते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन क्या हम उसको बाहर उसमें बैठ कर घूमने जा सकते हैं टॉय कार में? क्या आप अपने टॉय कार पे बैठ कर पूरे सिटी जा सकते हो? नो, वी कांट गो. ओके, सो दिस इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन रियल बेबी क्या होता है? स्मॉल होता है, फिर वो ग्रो होता है। आप 1 ईयर का होता है, 2 ईयर्स के होते हैं, 3 ईयर्स के होते हैं। जब आप बॉर्न हुए थे आप भी छोटे से बेबी थे। नाउ यू आर अ बिग बॉय और गर्ल, आप फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में हो, 4-5 ईयर्स के हो गए हो, राइट। अगर आपके पास जो स्मॉल थे जब आप बॉर्न हुए थे, या 6 मंथ्स 8 मंथ्स के थे, तब सपोज आपके पापा ने आपको डॉल ला कर दी, क्या वो डॉल अभी आपके साथ ग्रो हो रही है? Is that doll is growing along with you? No. Why? Because that is not real, baby. That is a doll itself. Okay, that is doll. It is not growing. Okay, so real and fake. Real means जो original है, और fake means artificial thing that is not original things, that are not original things. Okay, now over here also the poet is thinking that the moon which is there in the water, is it real or fake? What? It is real or fake moon? Whenever I move, it hides. अगर मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर हम मिरर के सामने से हट जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, क्या हम अपनी इमेज देख पाएंगे मिरर में? No, we can't see our image. So the poet is saying, whenever I move away from the lake, I can't see the moon. Which moon he can see? He can only see the moon which is there in the sky. He can only see the moon which is there in the sky. But the moon which is there in the water, in this poem, the poet is talking about the moon which is there in the water. So the poet is saying, मैं जो मून देखता हूँ वाटर में, he is talking about that moon. क्या वो मून रियल है कि फेक है? एंड इज एडिंग ऑल्सो कि मैं जब भी मूव होता हूँ वहां से, तो क्या होता है, वो मून क्या होता है, गायब हो जाता है, हाइड हो जाता है, इट हाइड्स. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it it's at noon. Is thinking, मैं सोच रहा हूँ जो मैं वाटर में देख रहा हूँ क्या वो मून है? अगर yes, if it's a moon, that then I can't see the noon. Yes, we can't see moon in the noon time. Can we see the moon during the daytime? No. During the daytime what we see? We see sun during the day. हम क्या देखते हैं दिन में? हम sun देखते हैं. और रात को हमें क्या दिखता है? रात को हमें moon दिखता है, right? At night we see the moon. लेकिन दिन में हम क्या देखते हैं? दिन में हमें sun दिखता है, जो हमें रोशनी मिलती है. The sun shines very brightly. तो जो रोशनी मिलती है हमें किससे मिलती है? From where we get the light? We get light from the sun. अगर रात दिन में सन नहीं निकलेगा तो होल डे क्या रहेगा? It will be dark. जैसे रात को सन छुप जाता है, मून आता है और क्या हो जाता है? नाइट हो जाता है. नाइट हो जाती है ना, रात को डार्क हो जाता है. तो सेम में अगर दिन में सन नहीं दिखेगा तो क्या दिन में सन अगर राइज नहीं होगा, what will happen? It will be totally dark. Okay, so during the day we see sun, and at night we see what? The moons come out and the sun hides. So in this poem, the poet is a little boy who is sitting near the lake and thinking and wondering that the moon which he is seeing in the water, is it real or fake? Okay, and he also added that whenever I move away, the what happens, it also hides, and I wonder if it's the moon that I don't see, it's in the noon. Okay, the poet is saying, अगर ये moon है तो मैं ये moon दिन में नहीं देख पाता. Okay, right? moon को हम दिन में नहीं देख पाते हैं. We see moon at night. Now let's see something. I have some more points about moon. Let us read that. Moon does not have its own light. Yes, moon does not have its own light. वो किससे लाइट लेता है? Moon takes light from what? From the sun. और वो रात को शाइन करता है. मून कब शाइन करता है? मून रात को शाइन करता है. ओके, It looks brighter from the earth during night. I told you. अगर हम यहाँ से मून को देखते हैं, if we see moon from here, what it shines brightly at night because it reflects light from the sun. Yes, it takes light from the what? It takes light from the sun. Okay. मून इज अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. इट्स अ नेचुरल थिंग. ये मैनमेड है? कोई इंसान ने इसे बनाया है? नो. वी सी मून एट नाइट. When we see moon, we see moon at night. Moon appears to change its shapes. Sometimes we see half moon, sometimes full moon. So moon keeps on changing shapes. Okay. There is no water and atmosphere on the moon, hence it does not support any life. क्या हम मून में रह सकते हैं? No, we can't live on the moon. Why? Because there is no water, no food, no air. We can't live on the moon, right? It is on the earth we can live. Why? Because earth means धरती जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं. In there we can live. Why? Because कि वहाँ पर लाइफ है, वहाँ पर हमें वाटर मिलता है, हमें फूड मिलता है, हमें एयर मिलता है, हम सांस लेते हैं ना, वी ब्रीथ. सो ब्रीथ मीन्स हम सांसें लेते हैं ना, सो वी ब्रीथ एंड दैट these all things are not there in the sky, in the moon. So we can't live in the moon, and it does not have its own light also. From where it takes lights? It takes light from the what? It takes light from the sun. It's from the sun. And when we see moon in the during the night. During night we see moon. Okay. Why? Because in the during daytime what we see? We see sun during daytime, but at night we see moon. So today we will learn only about moon, and tomorrow next session I am going to teach you about the sun. So once again we will read the poem and we will say the difficult words over there. The name of the poem is I Wonder. What's the spelling of wonder? WONDER. What? WONDER. Sometimes I really wonder. Sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake. Lake, L-A-K-E. L-A-K-E. Can you say any rhyming words related to lake? Give rhyming words for lake. Lake rhyming words can be? What will the rhyming words for lake? Make. Lake, make, shake. Right? What is in the water? The poet is saying, what is in the water? Is it real or fake? Wow, we have one rhyming word over here also. Lake, fake. Right? Lake, fake. Rhyming words? It slides, and it glides. These two are again rhyming words. SLIDES, GLIDES. And when I move, it hides. Hides is also rhyming words. Glides, hides, slides, right? SLIDES, GLIDES, HIDES. These three are what? These three are rhyming words. I wonder if it's the moon and I don't see it at noon. Moon, 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 and noon, NOON, noon. What it is? It's a rhyming word. Moon and noon. Okay. So see, we have some meanings over here. Fake means not real. It is not real thing. Glide means the thing which moves smoothly. Okay. Noon, afternoon, दोपहर का समय, after 12 o'clock, that is midday. जब दोपहर को 12 o'clock होते हैं, that is called noon. That is midday. Okay. So fake meaning is not real. Glide meaning is move smoothly. What? It moves smoothly. And noon means it's what? Noon means it is midday, that is afternoon. After 12, from 12 o'clock, the noon started till 12 o'clock, it's a morning. Then after that, it's noon. Okay? Yes. So this is all about the poem I Wonder. In the next session, I'm going to teach you about what? We are going to solve the exercise on this, and we are going to learn something about sun also. Okay?